The regime in Harare has deployed troops of armed soldiers and war tanks in various parts of the country to intimidate citizens ahead of the SADC summit. Zvachizoendwa majimhuri eZimbabwe. Sambinda mashoko abudai tokaona paendo Citizen Coalition for Change. Loti bwa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda vanyora vachiti the SADC heads of state will arrive in a country where the regime has effectively declared war on its own citizens and will be greeted by the ominous presence of war tanks and armed soldiers. Meanwhile, over 100 pro-democracy activists languish in prison on trumped up charges. Citizens are being kidnapped in broad daylight, tortured, and later handed over to the police, who perpetuate the brutality by imprisoning the victims and denying them bail. Kuna wani opposition with Citizen Coalition for Change irilo yana nusu chamisa wantu ramashike kuti aiwa this situation iri very tense yanangana bonaka kuti aiwa mangu ma presidents ekuni mangu ma states anopinda munyika yeZimbabwe vachiona aiwa vachiuka imwe nematanks vachinzwa kuti aiwa munyika omwe muri abductiwa vanhu daylight zuva rakacheka nyika cheko vanhu vanouya vachinyangarisa vachitorwa nekuda kwe the government of Zimbabwe iri kutya kuostiwa kana ku demonstraterwa pamberi peSADC. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro mashoko anobuda toka panapa nawakomana veCCC ina comment section medu, so no subscribe or like, so turn on the bell icon.